a quiet church study room. David and Jerry, two young pastors in their 20s, are sitting at a wooden table filled with Bibles, notebooks, and coffee cups. They're laughing and discussing their dreams of becoming international pastors. David, can you imagine? Preaching the gospel all over the world. Reaching thousands of people? That's the dream, man. Jerry, God has called us to do great things, but to reach people, we need to break down barriers. Language is one of the biggest ones. True, but I've always thought learning another language would take years. Besides, I'm pretty comfortable here in our little town. Later that night, David is at home scrolling through Facebook when he notices a post from a friend about a YouTube video featuring Johnny B. Good's ebook, How to Learn Spanish in 21 Days. Captivated, he clicks on the link and watches it. David thinks to himself, 21 days? That doesn't sound impossible. If I could preach in Spanish, imagine how many more lives I could touch. David downloads the ebook from Amazon Kindle. He starts reading the ebook, highlighting vocabulary and practicing Spanish phrases aloud. In just 3 weeks, I went from knowing zero Spanish to being able to share the gospel in another language, David says to himself. David travels to South America. David is now standing in front of a packed church in South America, preaching fluently in Spanish. The crowd is engaged, nodding, and some people are moved to tears. David, preaching in Spanish, Jesús te ama y tiene un propósito para tu vida. Hoy es el día de salvación. Jesus loves you and has a purpose for your life. Today is the day of salvation. The crowd erupts in applause as many come forward to accept Jesus Christ. David says to himself, thanks to Johnny B. Good's Spanish ebook, I've been able to preach across South America and help over 10,000 people come to Christ. Jerry is seen preaching in his small-town church to a handful of people. He looks happy but reflective as he watches David's success online. Jerry, to himself, wow, David took our dream to the next level. David is walking through a market in South America, speaking to a young Hispanic man in Spanish. David, in Spanish. Dios tiene un plan para tu vida. Si crees en él, puedes experimentar su amor y su paz. God has a plan for your life. If you believe in him, you can experience his love and peace. Young man, smiling. Gracias, pastor. Lo necesito. Thank you, pastor. I need that. There is a split screen on a video call with David and Jerry catching up, and David shares his experience. Jerry, David, you've done amazing work. I wish I had thought about learning Spanish earlier. David, it's never too late, Jerry. Start now. All it took for me was How to Learn Spanish in 21 Days. That ebook changed everything. David speaking directly to the camera. If you've ever dreamed of making a greater impact, learning Spanish could be the key. I'm proof that it's possible. Share this video with someone who might want to learn Spanish and let them know they can get the ebook How to Learn Spanish in 21 Days by Johnny B. Good on Amazon Kindle. We are winning.